Owengamele ezokuHlaliswa kwabantu eGauteng uLebohangmayile uthi bewuhulumeni bazimisele ngokuthi balungise ingqalasizinda yabo ukuze izikhukhula zingashayi kuzwele uma lidliva.
What we want to do now is to ensure that there is a better coordination, but we also have an appreciation that the problem it's not just short term, it's also medium and long term, and that we have to ultimately find a way of dealing with the problem permanently.
UNgqongqoshe wezokuHlaliswa kwabantu uMamoloko Kubayi uthi njengoba sekuyisikhathi semvula nje ithimba labo elibhekele izinhlekelele limngomumo.
We have now high alerts across the country. We are here in Gauteng, specifically in Soweto, but we know that Alexander is affected, western area, western side is affected. There's been in other provinces, Northwest Rustenburg has been affected.
Ikhona imali esibekwe ukuze ibhekane nomonakalo.
The budget has been made available from the beginning of the year next year so that we can be able to intervene. So we want to appeal to our communities. Those that we were not able to visit, they must not say that we don't care.
UNgqongqoshe wezokuHlaliswa kwabantu uthi bewumnyango bayazi ukuthi mkhulu umonakalo wenzakalela abantu wathi bayeza nakubo nosizo.
We are aware of where they are. We are aware that they have been affected, and interventions from our officials, they will be on the ground and supporting them.
Isangoma seZulu Joel Chabata sithi abantu baqaphele iseza enyimvula ikakhulukazi eSoweto naseRodepoort.
As for this Monday, we are still expecting widespread and scattered thunderstorms across much of South Africa, all the way from the west coast into the eastern areas. And it looks like the cut-off flow will only start to weaken tomorrow on Tuesday, and because of that we will start to see the rain subsiding over the western areas but continuing to be fairly intense across the eastern areas.
Phakathi kweindawo ezovakashelwa umnyango wezokuHlaliswa kwabantu ihostela iNesfield, Kliptown kanye naseProtea Glen. NginguCalvin wakwaDludla ezintabeni zeSABC.